Hey, good afternoon, everybody. And today's video, we're going to talk about the launch of our brand new training platform, Advisors Academy. So in this platform, guys, what we've done is we've kind of came up with the idea where instead of doing all of our trainings live every single week and also hosting our live trainings in the office here, we give the opportunity for all of our remote advisors who have other jobs, part-time jobs, to really be able to complete this at their own pace. Okay, so you can kind of complete the training modules and get the same experience that you would have if you were here in the office training from the comfort of your own home and kind of do the training modules as you go. So what I've done is I've taken kind of everything that we've done here for the past 15 years, whether it's our life insurance, IULs, universal life, mortgage protection insurance, final expense, annuities, Medicare Supplements, Medicare Advantage, ACA, private health insurance, limited medical, and we're going to put all this training into one system, one platform, and we're going to make that available for anybody who wants to join and pay the membership fees to be able to have access to a training system and a support system and a support platform that will give you real training, exactly how we train our agents on how to actually close business, right? So real life training for real life situations and scenarios. So if you go to the school.com slash advisors dash academy slash about, the URL right up here at the top. Okay, so you can click on that. You can see our about page. You can watch a couple of other videos. We just launched this school here a couple days ago. And this was the first initial video that were recorded in here. You can watch this. I announced it live in one of our morning meetings, so you can kind of get an idea of what we do in our morning meetings as well. When you join our community, you're going to see here that every day I'm going to start posting videos. So you can see this is only the second day. We've only posted 2 videos, right? So we launched it on the 27th. That's when I made the announcement. And we did another morning meeting this morning. So you can click in here. You can watch these morning meetings. You can participate, comment, ask questions. Anything is going to be there for you. Now, in our classroom, this is where we're going to have all of our training, right? So if you're onboarding with us with one of our remote Medicare advisors and you're going to be participating in the free lead program, then you're simply going to click on Medicare Advisor Certification. When you click on here, you're going to see all the categories that are listed, right? You're going to have onboarding. You got to complete all of these in order. So new hire documents, you simply click on the new hire documents. And once you're completed, you'll just simply do a little checkbox here. Okay, then you'll join our group chat in Discord. You'll hit the little checkbox and then you'll kind of go down, right? The remote overview video. Some of you have probably already seen that video. If you haven't, please make sure you watch that. So we encourage everybody to watch everything in order, right? Medicare fundamentals. So we're not trying to overwhelm you here. We don't want to turn everybody into information specialists, right? We want to give you very real day-to-day skills that you need to get up and running and making money as quickly as possible, but doing it the correct way and efficiently. So these would be all of the onboarding videos, the sales skills, scripts and objections, script training videos, opening objections, advanced objections, systems training, how to navigate our portal, quoting, dialer training, dialing an alternate number, graduation, then going live, keys to a successful week, then essentially logging into the dialer and then going live. Okay. Now, because most of you are going to complete this at your own pace in different times of the day, and you're maybe ready to go live at different times. So instead of just making everybody start training Monday at 10 a.m. on time, full training, we're going to start working around everybody's schedule, right? We do see the value. We have a lot of people that have been with me for 8-9 years that are doing this still part-time and making a very, very good living, doing kind of both, doing 2 different industries at the same time. So we want to open this up to everybody, give you the opportunity where you can complete this at your own pace. And then when you're comfortable and you're ready to go live on the dialer and you've completed all these steps, then you simply will just reach out to me in our group chat on Discord and just say, Jason, I've completed everything in the Medicare Advisor certification and I'm ready to go live on the dialer. So what we'll then do is we'll set up a dedicated time with yourself and whoever else is available around the same time. And we'll do a quick launch and we'll get you live on the dialer, taking calls, making money, right? Now, if you just want to be here and just learn, that's no problem. That's kind of why we created this community. So that way you can be in here and you can just kind of learn as much as you like. And then when you feel comfortable and you want to go live and go available, you just let me know. We'll let you go live, right? So we're going to have our Medicare advisors. This will be the initial one you want to complete if you're participating in the free lead program that we're going to give you. All the free leads, that's explained in the overview video. Um, you're going to want to complete this. Okay, then eventually you're going to want to complete your Medicare Advantage training, right? So when you become a direct broker and you can do your Medicare Advantage, it's a different daily training that we're going to have with our partners over at Brock. You'll be able to see all the contracts. You'll be able to go through the sales training. You'll go through the systems training. So that way, it's a simplified version how to get started selling Medicare Advantage right away. Okay, now we're also relaunching our ACA division where we're going to give free live transfers all day for ACA as well. So for our ACA advisors that are going to come on board, okay, you'll be able to go through your ACA specific certifications as well as life insurance. Now, in the past, we've done, we've had about 1,000 remote life insurance agent, and they've always typically had to pay for leads on their own. We're getting ready to develop a new program for our life insurance advisors, where as long as you're in our hierarchy, you'll also get free leads on the life insurance program, right? So that's what we're developing here in the future as well, and that's coming up pretty quickly. So the life insurance side, it's going to have everything: index universal life, final expense, mortgage protection. It'll have all the different trainings, all the stuff that I've personally sold or my partners have sold, and we're just going to give you the very best training we can possibly put in here for you. Direct broker training. This will be how to submit applications with the carriers, how to track your back end, when to call for plan reviews, when to call for policy conservations, cancellations, rewrites, re-enrolls, all that good stuff will be our direct broker training. Our sales developmental rep training. This is our unlicensed agents who are looking to get licensed. So we let them participate in a program. If you're in office, we'll let you participate in a program where we're training you, where you're compliant, where you're allowed to talk about what you're allowed to talk about as an unlicensed sales developmental rep. We'll develop your sales skills and we'll walk you through that process and sponsor you to get your insurance license so you can become a licensed insurance advisor. Okay. Our Leadership Academy, for those of you that have small teams and you just want to learn about leadership, or even my leaders in our offices here, we have them go through our Leadership Academy. We have all things contracting. So we'll have E&O coverage, state license tracking, AHIP certifications, FFM carrier certifications, ACA, private health, life insurance, annuities. All the contractings will all be in here as well. So we're really trying to build this out where everything that we do here in our agency that we've been doing for over 15 years, we have one spot where it's available at any time. You have access to it. You can download the application on your phone. You can listen to the training while you're at the gym, you're on the treadmill. And it just kind of helps speed up that process, right? Because there's a lot. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that's out there. What we do is we cut through the noise, we cut through the mess, we get to the point, and we try to present to you what we believe is the very best tools that you need to get going and write business. Like, we don't want to have a whole lot of rah-rah moments and a lot of, fluff that you don't need, right? We're going to try to put to you directly what's going to help you make money in this industry and be successful, because it's not always about making money, right? It's about being successful and doing things the right way. So some things that we're going to add in here: the lead generation CRM master. We're going to show you exactly where we get our leads, how we generate leads, how you can generate your own leads, your social media, how you manage your CRM, our AI powered CRM that we use in our agency, how you have access for that same exact CRM. We're going to include all that in here, guys. So there's going to be so much stuff that we add in here. The value is going to be tremendous. Okay. I've already had partners of ours saying we shouldn't do this. We're kind of giving away the house, so to speak. But guys, listen, we've been doing this for over 15 years. We've enrolled hundreds of thousands of clients. I think we're doing pretty well. I think we're doing pretty good, right? So this actually makes our life easier. It makes our life a lot easier where everybody can have everything and we're not kind of forcing everybody into one spot saying, hey, listen, you got to be here at this day, this time. You got to complete this training. So this just gives the freedom. Okay. So take your time, go through the course, get it done. And when you're ready and you feel comfortable, just reach out to me. Say, hey, Jason, listen, I'm ready to go live and get on the phone and start making calls. Then we'll set that up and then we'll do a one-on-one Zoom, or maybe we'll add some more people in there. We kind of do it as a group because groups are kind of nice. Everybody asks questions and they don't feel so shy. And then we'll get everybody launched together, right? So this is our new Advisors Academy. And again, this is just, I did all this. Really, I just took off our advisors portal and started putting the stuff we already had in here. And I'm just going to keep building it and building it and building it. And so it's really, you have an entire business in a box at your fingertips, in your phone, on your app, on the go, at any time you need it. So I look forward to working with all of you. If you have questions, you can reach directly out to me. If you want to go ahead and just get started, you want to bypass going through the interview process, and you want to kind of get a sneak peek really into our agency and what we're doing, you'll see we're posting in here every day. Even though this is only the second day that we've launched this academy, every day we're going to post our morning meetings in here. You'll see exactly how we interact with each other, and you'll be able to see, like, is this going to bring the value that I need to kind of be successful as an insurance advisor, in my future, in my career. So hope everybody enjoys this video, and I look forward to working with all of you. Thank you. God bless you, and have a great day.